RM Youth Ministry presents
the annual youth conference
from the 23rd to the 26th June 2011
with the theme Building on Christ.
featuring the next generation ministers
Tumelo Rasibopie,
Shapo Chobeja,
Carol Mwabelo,
not forgetting our very own Pastor
For
Matthew.
you to stand up and stand out, you need to come back to a point, young person, where you say, Father God, I have sinned against you. Please forgive me. And you know what? He will take you back where you belong.
join us on Thursday and Friday at 6 p.m.
Sunday at 8, 10:30 and 6 p.m.
Join us for the Roots and Young Adults concert
Saturday at 2 p.m. till 6 p.m.
as we build on Christ through
Music,
dance,
poetry,
Drama,